Let's go make some creative bookmarks for meditative art and positive vibes.
Deluxe edition.
I think you're gonna love it.
These postcards I've created in Procreate will be one of 7 free gifts when you purchase Meditative Art and Positive Vibes, Deluxe Edition.
These will be free gifts that I'm including with the books. Too much.
Now I'm going to rush to Staples to pick up my printed order.
Okay, boo-boo, you want something before I go?
Yeah. Let me make him a quick pressed panini and I'll be out of here. He likes honey ham, provolone cheese, and olive oil with garlic.
You're adding the garlic? Yes, I'm adding the garlic.
It looks so cute.
Thank you. Hey, neighbor.
In 500 feet, you'll arrive at Staples.
As I mentioned, I created these bookmarks in Procreate. It's a software. Instead of using my printer, I'll just get these done at Staples. 5 bookmarks on 80-pound cardboard sheets. Since it's just black line drawings, it is more cost effective for me to get these done at Staples. Oh, I love the way these came out. That's 300 bookmarks for about 20 bucks.
You know that we are living in a material world. A material world.
Ooh, Duncan.
Yeah, I need a break.
Welcome to Maplewood. Now, I'm not a big coffee drinker, but sometimes very, very necessary. The original garages in Maplewood are very small. They were built to accommodate cars of the 1920s. Okay, so let me cut out my bookmarks. Be extra careful when you use these cutters. When you receive these free gifts, use them as you like. You can doodle on them, you can color on them, you can keep them or re-gift them. They're totally yours. Oh, I like this pencil. It's really cute. It was inspired by an actual pencil that I'm also giving you as a gift. For those who like to sketch first.
So I have to trim up these pieces. So what that means is the woodcutter is perfectly straight. The lines that I've made are not. That's okay. It's for you, so I want to make sure these things look nice. Last one.
These are nice. So let me show you how I would design these and color them. These are a lot of fun. I prefer my doodles just in black and white, but if you want color, boom! Here's how I would color mine. You really are gonna love these. Okay, that's one. $2.99 to go.
And I haven't even told you about these positive vibes bookmarks yet. That'll be another video.
Now these are just few of the gifts you will receive when you purchase my new book, Meditative Art and Positive Vibes, the Deluxe Edition. Goodbye.